Yera, butter. Yera, that's my daughter. Aseidu. What's your word to them? What's your word, my dear? Yes, Ramon. Mama, you be
Ebusia me say a card there. Aseidu Nketiah. We show video now. Your man make he dey laugh. The thing be saying he left some more like you see the people of Akwatia, they don't work for a man for years and say they feel like treatment and did man ne frame ne frame mu courts na ya twene wa ha na speaker pam no parliament anyway you know. They feel like all those stress name and the money in our account near the agent to papa no so the ma odinya sa cardiac arrest or the woo ye. And you know say we bush when you cry now we feel it because the pana or no actually we bush when you know they no call to the bus and here way no. Then the pana woo you know about the years here. If it were you bro, you act the same. Let's just be fair. The omie no means also, but let's be fair. Because what happened, if it were to be your family member, obey the same thing. And that's what I want you to understand. Because and yes, so much Jimmy almost sorry I can react that too. Things that happened. Things that happened. You know, do you even know that they said that the lawyer and the Wabe NDCPC said that there will be by-election in Akwatia. Do you know that man yes some man no a cancer. So today the man is dead, and indeed there is by-election in Akwatia. And what do you expect? How do you want them to feel? Do you want them to be happy to see you there? No. You don't have to expect that. Even though what they did wasn't right, but you should understand, say, it's because of baby a free no, and I'm never drew on them. Baby a free and never drew. So people should understand and stop playing victim like to say the they didn't know what they were doing, or even though what they did wasn't right, no. But people should stop making it like say, because whatever happens, no, the man has already died. And the year, no, 1 week in Punium. Let me tell you something. This will send a signal to the NDC to say, if they try anything funny in Akwatia, it's not going to be good for them. For the people, I'm not happy with you guys. Yeah, They are not happy with you guys. You see how they pin. You see how they pin. That be how the thing they feel. So I mean, what they did wasn't right, but I also think, say, because of what happened and you know how emotional they are, especially losing your loved one. And then you say, oh, you're ready that whole man now say on accident and I say, yo, cardiac arrest. And you know those cardiac arrest, you know, like stress and all those things, you know, to me, those things, right? And they feel like you people contributed a lot to that, and that is the reason why they actually, you know, reacted that way. And you say, yeah, I'm gonna tell someone and I say, nah, you people should understand. That is how areas need it here. You see, Bianco Papa heading and judge that. What I say, so you people should understand. But we, you know, should also mean say the people of Akwatia should come out on Tuesday and come and vote. You know, I should have been in Akwatia by now, but because of one or two things, but surely no, Mamun, we'll be going to Akwatia to bring you whatever is going to happen there. All the updates that's going to happen in the constituency and let you people know what is exactly going on there. So I think even though what they did wasn't right, but Charlie, if you be yourself, you go do that one there. It be true. Me, if you be myself, then my family member or someone they love, then I know say like more na more and say we didn't call for them back near the dinner then any from now over on my massa. I see you some.
Yera, daughter. Yera, that's my daughter. Aseidu. What's your word to them? What's your word, my dear? That's Ramon. Mama, you be Yes, I need you.